I have a delicious surprise. It's a very special cake. I want you kiddies to have the first piece.
Well, if it isn't Ethel Barrymore. I do hope you're going to favor us with something special tonight.
Please.
Say, Hamlet's soliloquy or the balcony scene from Romeo and Juliet. Oh, don't be shy. You make about the prettiest Juliet I've ever seen.